Hello, I'm Dr. Mark Lindholm, and I want to welcome you to Natural Health Family Chiropractic. I'm so glad that you've chosen our clinic for your chiropractic care and for your health needs. So these videos are designed for you to get the most out of your chiropractic care. We have the idea that knowledge is power. We want our patients to have an active role in improving their health. So let's get right into it. I want to talk first about the nervous system and subluxations and the adjustment, the basics of what we do as chiropractors. So the basics are that we work with the spine because the nerves come through the spine. The nerves originate in your brain, and 99% of your nerves that go to every part of your body go from the brain through the spine and then out to your body. But it's not a one-way communication. The nerves also constantly are feeding information back into your brain from your body back to your brain. And that flow of information allows your body to control itself. In biology, we call it homeostasis, which is a fancy word for balance. Your body has to be able to control and adapt itself, and all of that goes through the nervous system. So everything from moving your arms, to your heart beating, to your digestion, to even your mood, and even how we relate with others, all of those things are controlled and coordinated by our nervous system. Literally every cell, tissue, and organ in our body is controlled by the nervous system. So that's why chiropractic is so important. Where only about 10% of the nerves have to do with pain. So a lot of our patients come into us with pain, and we can definitely help with pain, but it's just the tip of the iceberg. When we correct a subluxation, which is when the spine is out of alignment and stuck in that position, it can pinch or irritate those nerves, and it can affect that vital communication back and forth to the brain. So the reason we're interested in correcting those problems is to get you feeling better, but mostly to get your body functioning better. Because only about 10% of the nerves cause pain, a lot of subluxations are hidden problems that you don't even realize are there. It can be compromising that nerve communication, affecting your quality of life, affecting the way your body functions, affecting the way your brain works, but not necessarily causing pain. It's kind of like if you ignore your teeth and you have a cavity, you might not feel it at first. But if you don't get in and have your teeth checked and take care of your teeth, eventually that cavity is going to lead to a toothache. So very similarly with subluxations, if those subluxations are left uncorrected, they can lead to more significant problems and definitely lead to pain. The interesting thing about being a chiropractor is that a lot of these concepts that chiropractic has talked about for hundreds of years have actually been proven with research. It's a great time to be a chiropractor. Specifically in what I was just talking about, there's been 4 major studies that have shown that when we adjust the spine, you can actually measure and see that the brain actually functions differently. Specifically the prefrontal cortex, which is kind of like the conductor of the brain that controls and coordinates how the whole rest of your body functions, is especially impacted by adjusting the spine. So it's really interesting that the research has kind of caught up with what we've seen clinically for so long. So again, I want to welcome you to our practice. These videos are free and available. So feel free to share this with your friends and family. Let them know about your experience with chiropractic at our clinic.